Hello, I'm Diane from Easy Access English, and today you are learning about vowel sounds, which can be very difficult in English because we have so many different accents. My accent, for example, is Scottish, so we have a very specific vowel pronunciation compared to other parts of the world. But it's important to expose yourself to lots of different types of accents because this will really help train your ear to listen for those important keywords and essentially to listen with the context to understand. But today I'm going to give you a few little rules and tips to help you with your understanding of vowel sounds so that when you're speaking English, you can be sure to be pronouncing things correctly and therefore be understood. So, first of all, when you're reading English and trying to learn English, it can be really difficult to know how to pronounce something because we have lots of different ways to pronounce something that the spelling doesn't always demonstrate the pronunciation. For example, we can take the word bird and word, and it's a very similar pronunciation, but one is with an I and one is with an O. We can also look at the words boot, fruit, foot, and put. It all has the same pronunciation but completely different spelling, so not so easy. So the first thing to notice is that we have five vowels: A, E, I, O, and U. And we have different vowel sounds. We can have a long vowel sound and a short vowel sound. So let's listen to how that sounds. So we have A can be A long in cane, cane, or can be short A like in can, cane, can. We have the E can be long like E in feed, feed, but it can be short, like in fed, the past tense, fed. We have the letter I. It can be long, like island. It can be short, like fig. We have the letter O, can be long, like bore, and it can be short, like shot. And we also have the letter U, which can be long, like in unicorn, or it can be short, like in umbrella. Ah, so a, e, e, I, o, and u. Difficult because we have so many different ways to pronounce. It's not even all of them. So sometimes we also have what we call a schwa sound, which is not really anything. It's just a slight noise, but not really a distinct vowel. So you might be wondering, how on earth am I going to remember all this and how am I going to speak English properly? Don't worry, just take your time to expose yourself to as much English as possible. Um, really try when you're speaking English to pretend you're English. Put really make an effort to have that English accent when you're speaking, and it will help you. But take the time, like I said, exposure. Also, have a really relaxed attitude and make mistakes, have fun, laugh if you're not understood. Try different pronunciations and see if that helps. Remember, it's all part of the fun of learning a language is really trying to speak clearly, but it's a process. So embrace that process and enjoy it at the same time.